This year, focusing on potatoes, it's our 5th year. Oh, we're growing very fast. You can swear that maybe we've been 20 years old because we're growing very fast. And every day we're learning something new and we're challenging ourselves. We're learning from other farmers, big farmers like 𝗪𝗀𝘃, Mr. Farrington, so many farmers, Mr. 𝗕𝗵𝘂𝘁, so many farmers. We grow every day. Oh, every meal it goes the potato. You are happy. You are sad. You need potato. Whether you are the highest person or lowest person, you need potato. I would appreciate if the consumers they can give themselves time to understand what is a potato and what is good about the potato. Baked potato.